Hello, designers. When you start making gift baskets or when you've been making them for a while, sometimes you look at all the products in the container or the basket you're using, and you consistently get items that are falling out of place while you're making the gift or when you're getting ready to close the gift in a cellophane or shrink wrap. And that can be confusing, frustrating, and all those ing words that you can think of. But there is a balance between the size of the container that you use and the number of products that you place in the gift basket. When I have gift basket classes, this is an ongoing question from people who are right there in person putting their gift baskets together. And I can hear items falling out of the basket. And of course, they're starting, starting their gift basket journey. But then I share with them how the number of products and the size of the container that they're using is going to help them to make a gift basket not only quicker, but professionally made in the whatever manner they want to make it. So consider the size of the container, basket, or whatever, and the number of products. If you have a large container, but you only have 5 or 6 products, and those products are small, you are not going to have much help in keeping those items in place. You can put everything together and hurry up and put cellophane or shrink wrap around it. Something's going to become dislodged because it just does. So you want to have the right size container. And what's the right size? You experiment with that. If you have a small container and you have 10 items, that might not be big enough unless you are elevating items on top of each other. And certainly there are sticky kinds of products, not really tape, but sticky items that you can use to keep everything together while you are keeping items upright, having them stand up tall or having them diagonal in a way for extra flair inside of your gift baskets. There is a tutorial, quick tutorial. How long is it? It's about just over 3 minutes, giving you some insights and ideas and tips on that type of making sure really that your items are going to stand up right. And it's part of the free preview of the design videos that I've made available. There are about 31, something like that, videos, and but you do get 5 previews of videos that you can that will help you elevate your gift basket designs. I'll put a link to the design videos program, that area, but you also see a link, or really a button, that says free preview, and you can get your previews through that link. I'm Shirley George Frazier, wishing you baskets of success.